All right, we love all the things in whiteboard chat, and it got me to thinking, what if we could add our doc cam into whiteboard chat? And so I kind of did a little playing around and I found something that works, so I thought I would share it with you all. So what I have plugged into my PC here, my Okio cam, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead to my wrench tools over here on the left and choose a website. And once I place the box in here, the website that I'm going to put in is webcamera.io. Now, when I load the page, it's going to go automatically turn on my regular webcam, which is cool too if you want to do that. But if you go down here to the gear in the lower right hand corner, I can choose my Okio cam. And now I have my dot cam on my whiteboard. So I can mix in regular whiteboard tools on a website, or I can actually have a whiteboard right here. And I could use manipulatives down here or whatever I needed to do. But that way I can use my dot cam with my whiteboard.chat. Hope that helps everyone out. Have a super day.